Hi, I'm Chi.
Hello, this is Irosh.
I'm part of the Department of Biological Sciences. It is my 5th year of PhD now that I'm a PhD candidate at the Waters Lab that we study birds.
I am a master's student at Department of Biological Sciences in the Walters Lab, and my supervisor is Dr. Eric Walters.
We are currently at Hastings Natural History Reservation, which is a long-standing system affiliated by UC Berkeley that I managed the reserve. Basically, this is the project that I'm at, doing the fieldwork from April to July every year during the breeding season.
We are working with a model organism called the Acorn Woodpeckers. So Acorn Woodpeckers are a cooperative breeding species. A cooperative breeding species means there's multiple breeding males and multiple breeding females, as well as related helpers from previous years who are related to the parents who help in upbringing the offsprings, like taking care of the nest, feeding, etc.
And this particular population at Hastings, this reservation has been running since 1968. So my questions are about what is the longitudinal population genetics of this particular system and how the social behavior may affect things that is affecting the survival, the fitness, and mortality, or maybe how cooperative they can be in the groups.
So I am interested in how the vocal behavior of acorn woodpeckers are affected by their social hierarchy as well as their dominance. So I set up far away from these acorn woodpeckers. So they have something called a granary which they maintain, and granary is something which they defend from everybody, including other acorn woodpecker groups as well as other animals as well. These granaries store acorns which is needed for the acorn woodpeckers to survive the winter. So that's why they defend the granaries. So I set up near these granaries and look at how the acorn woodpecker vocalization, which is what you call a waka-waka vocalization, is produced in terms of different contexts between their social bonding, different social hierarchies, as well as in terms of dominance.
And what I do is during the nest season, I try to find a new nest, and then we will put down the bands. So that's like a color-coded and the metal with serial numbers on the birds' legs, so we can identify them individually. So we will know all the locations of the family groups and know how many chicks or birds they will reproduce, and how are the breeders and the helping individuals, they may be remaining or they may disperse or they will die in the population. So we try to understand all the demographic understanding of them during the breeding season.
During the field season, in addition to collection of my data, I also help with the collection of long-term data for our study. So I do censusing of most of the groups, as well as doing roost ambushers, roost watchers, because we need to collect data for individuals who come to the territory of Hastings Natural History Reservation, where we monitor from outside the reservation because they disperse quite often.
And we also collect blood samples. We also collect some fecal samples from this year as well as a pilot study. And what we want to know is, because I'm looking at population genetics, so we will look at what is the genetic diversity of the population, or maybe it's among groups, and how distinct, if we see immigrants, are they any different from the birds that they are born at Hastings.